This is the brief on building your English sentences using the be verbs. Okay, let's talk about the real backbone of English conversation, the be verbs. Now, these aren't your typical action words. Think of them more like the glue that holds everything together. They connect a subject to, who it is, what it's like, or where it is. Getting a handle on these is really the first big step to speaking with confidence. So, first things first. You've got three main building blocks: am, is, and are. And it's actually pretty simple. Am, that's always and only for I. Then you have is, which you're going to use for any singular subject like he, she, it, or, the cat. And finally, are. That's your go-to for all the plural stuff. You, we, they, or something like the flowers. Second, let's build a positive sentence. The formula is super easy. Subject plus the be verb plus a complement. So what's a complement? Well, it's just the extra info that tells you more about the subject. It could be a noun like a student, an adjective like happy, or even a phrase telling you where something is, like on the table. And finally, negatives and questions. This part's a piece of cake. For a negative sentence, you just pop the word not right after the be verb. And of course, we use contractions like isn't and aren't all the time. Just remember, for I, it's always I'm not. For a question, you just flip it. The be verb jumps to the very front before the subject. You are happy becomes are you happy? Simple. And just like that, you've got the complete foundation for building all three core types of sentences.